Did you know that 13 people connected to King Tut's tomb died mysteriously within 10 years of its discovery? In 1922, archaeologist Howard Carter opened the most famous tomb in Egypt, but what happened next made even scientists believe in ancient curses. Lord Carnarvon, who paid for the dig, died just months later from an infected mosquito bite. The moment he died, all the lights in Cairo went out. At that exact same time in England, his dog howled and dropped dead. Then the deaths kept coming. Carnarvon's half-brother killed himself. The radiologist who x-rayed the mummy died suddenly. American railroad tycoon George J. Gould visited the tomb and died of pneumonia shortly after. One by one, 13 people connected to the discovery met strange ends. Scientists now think they know why. The sealed tomb contained deadly mold spores and bacteria that had been trapped for 3,000 years. When people breathed them in, they got sick and died. But even today, some wonder if the pharaoh's curse was real after all.